Hi friends, this is Bijita. Welcome to my channel once again. Today I'll not cover any topic. Today I'll not share any SAP related topic. Rather today I'm going to share an information with you all. I have received request from many of you to start the SAP FICO end-to-end training. So in response of your mass request, I decided to start a fresh new batch uh, for the end-to-end SAP FICO training. And I'm glad to announce that on coming Saturday, that is 2nd of April, I have scheduled a demo session. So I request all of you to join there. And on the training, on the class, I'll be discussing, I'll be giving a demo, okay, so that you can understand what the SAP is and what the training is about. And then after you can decide and you can enroll your name. And tentatively I'll be starting this class from 9th of April onwards. So I request all of you to join the demo class. The link I'll be sharing in the description box below. Using the same link, you can join the demo class, and then you can decide whether to pursue this training or not. And also, this course duration will be for 3 months. Okay, and I mean the course detail will be discussed once you join the demo class. So there it will be discussed elaborately. And additionally, I'll be sharing my WhatsApp number in the description box below, so that you can connect me directly. uh, okay. And additionally, the demo class joining link will be also given, so you can refer from here and you can join straight away. So that's all. If you have any other question, you can drop your questions here in the comment box below. I'll be sharing, I'll be surely try to answer all of your query. And also I request all of you to join the demo class at least. Okay. uh, Doing the training, I mean, whether at all you will be doing the training or not, that is a secondary thing altogether. But joining demo session uh, will be my pleasure. Okay. So that's all. I hope all of you are doing good. So I'll be sharing, I'll be surely coming up with some next with some new topics in coming days. Till then, keep watching the channel. Thank you, take care, bye bye.